Hey guys, I'm Uzma and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful heart notebook for Valentine's Day. This can be a great gift idea for your loved ones. Before starting the video, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel for awesome content like this. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Let's start with the video. Take some papers and stack them together. Cut out a heart shape and trace it on the papers. If you want, you can also download my free heart template. Cut these hearts out. I have cut total of 30 hearts for this notebook. Keep these aside for now. For the outer cover, I have used red glitter paper. Using the same heart, trace 2 hearts on it. Now take black glitter paper and trace smaller heart on it. Take both the red hearts and punch 2 holes on the top. For punching holes on the pages, take half of the pages at a time. Stack them together and take red heart to mark the holes. Use paper clips to hold them together. Now let's punch holes on the pages. Remove the clips and repeat the same for the other half. I have used a heart craft punch. If you don't have, you can draw it or print it using my template. For the decoration, I have used some foam roses, flat beads and some alphabet stickers. You can be creative with the decoration and decorate your notebook in your own style. jump rings and pass them through the holes and press them using a plier. Your beautiful heart notebook is ready. This can be a great gift idea for your loved ones for any occasion. Hope you guys would have enjoyed the video. If you did, do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.